everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album. I just finished up a project, and this is a project created and designed by Jacqs from Jacqs Scraps. She has an SVG file bundle set. I'll list it below, but it has all the cut files to make this great, she calls it a hybrid album. It is a combination card, album, and decor piece. And her channel, she used Prima Twilight paper, and it came out fabulous. But I had this Doodlebug Monster Madness paper in my stash from last year, and I had lots of components left, but not really full sheets. So I was able to sort of cut and paste and make the same project. You'll have to go check it out. I'm not going to show you everything, but she has all these files, a checklist. I mean, it's really, really fabulous and well done, and it's in her Kofi shop. Kofi. Anyhow, this is like a standalone acrylic piece. You could use acrylic, and I added it to it, but it's really not necessary. So let me show you a little bit about it. Well, first of all, it stands up, and I have magnets in mine to hold it up. That's what it looks like on the side. But let me take you into the front. So I have magnets on mine, so we'll just do it this way. So the front part opens. I've got, the file includes all these door pieces, and you've got a couple of different options, but I went with this because I wanted the little monster sort of peeking out the windows. I also had some ephemera. What's it called? It's odds and ends from Doodlebug from Happy Haunting. So that's a different collection, but of course everything works. And they had these acetate ghosts in there, and I thought those were very cool. So anyhow, the door will open. Ooh. And inside I've got room to put a photo, room to journal on here, and here's one of the tags from the collection. I just thought that made a nice little presentation, and I thought that was pretty. That again is from Happy Haunting, and of course it's open so you can tuck your photo in there. So that's the front. That's how the door opens. I do have magnets in there to keep it. Now it also, this will flip up, and inside we've got the Grandpa monster with the Dad Jokes book. This was a great, what do they call it? Doodle Pop from last year. It's one of my favorite pieces of the whole collection, and I had one of these, and I thought he would be great inside the house. So he's sitting there on his recliner. He's got his little S-Wing monster sitting in the cage. He's got his cabinet with all the different spell books and fangs for the, what does that say? Fangs for the memories. Oh my goodness, all these things are funny. So anyhow, that will open down, and then there's room for you to put a photo. There's that hole. Look, this page has just a little tuck spot with one of the little tags. I haven't put ribbon on here. I just was so excited to show you this. Then that'll open down. This is a side loading pocket, and we've got a little folder inside. All those adorable monsters. And then this one will open up at the top. These are puffy stickers of some of the candy. That's from the border strip, and that will go into that pocket. And then this will come down. Room to put a photo, that's open, and a little puffy ghost, and another little sticker, or sticker tag. Here's a piece from the, I think that was from the Monster collection, and a couple of tags in there. It was just a lot of fun to make. And then the last couple of pages, this is another side loading pocket that'll open like that. There's another tag, just as made from different elements from the collection. These were some of the border strips put together. I made a pocket, so that will come out like that. And then this is from the 12 by 12 sheet that you can journal on. That goes in like that. And then there is the back page. Now let me show you the one other page on here. So this is the back of the, where the front door is. And this, I just used some baker's twine to hold it together. And this is just a little waterfall. So here we've got this little guy with a tag. And that'll open to the side, give you room to put a photo. Here's another one with a tag. And the last one. So room to put your pictures there, room to put a picture here. Here's a fun little ghost. And that is another side loading pocket with room to journal or stick your photos in. So that is what I wanted to show you using Jackie's cut file and instructions. If you don't have an electronic cutting machine, you still can use it. You can trace out the patterns, so it still will work. There's lots of different elements in there, and it just was a lot of fun. So, all right, this goes like this. This goes like that. That gets held on with a magnet, and it sits up like that. So that is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.